Hey everyone, welcome to Project Melanin Beauty. My name is Nicole Webster and I am your host. I created Project Melanin Beauty to empower black women and girls to feel beautiful and confident in their skin and to define beauty by their own standards. In celebration of Black History Month, I'll be featuring 28 beautiful black women releasing one makeover video every day of the month to bring you easy, gorgeous makeup tutorials and a little inspiration as we celebrate the magic in our melanin. Stay tuned to hear what these beautiful ladies have to say about beauty, confidence, and being a black woman. Alright guys, so let's get started on the lovely Alexandria. We are doing a really gorgeous smoky eye and nude lip. And to start off this look, I'm applying my cream foundation in shade C10 all over her face using a synthetic foundation brush. And you want to apply your foundation in a downward. Next, I'm applying a cream foundation that's 1 to 2 shades lighter than her skin tone right under the eye to really conceal and attract light to the center of her face. This is going to add dimension to her skin tone. So once you lay that color down, you really want to blend it out using a damp sponge or your fingers, making sure to blend it in nicely with your foundation. Next, we're going to set her foundation using our dual powder, and this is a great powder to set your foundation or to wear alone, and you can use these powders wet or dry. To bring back that definition to her face, I am going to contour, and I'm using my contour palette in dark, and I'm just going to contour her cheekbones and the perimeter of her face. And now we're adding some blush, and I'm using a nice coral blush that really complements her skin tone and brings out that beautiful golden undertone. Don't forget the brows, ladies. Brows really frames the face and finishes your makeup look. So I'm using our brunette brow pencil to fill in the brows, and then I'm setting her brows with our brown mascara in shade number 31. So now onto the smoky eye, and I'm using my Smoke and Meadows eyeshadow palette. It's a great palette to create smoky looks, and I'm starting off with a black shadow just on the outer corner of the eye, and now I'm going in with a gold shadow on the mono lid, and I'm going to work that into the black shadow on the outer corner of the eye. So to really define her eyes, I am using my gel pencil in Black Caviar, and I'm going to apply that to the upper lash line as well as the lower lash line. And I'm also going to apply some more black shadow on the outer corner of the eye to really add some intensity to this look. Lastly for the eyes is mascara, and I'm using my Intense Lash Mascara. This mascara really lengthens, it's super black, and it gives you that false lash look without the falsies. Lastly for this look is her lips. As I said before, we're going to do a nude lip. So I'm starting off with a pencil, and I'm just going to line and define her lips. Using a lip pencil is also going to help your lip color last longer. And I'm going in with a peachy nude to kind of complement the blush color on her face, and we're going to apply that using a lip brush for a little bit more definition. And here's the finished look.
Wow, it looks amazing. Don't expect this every day from me. Yeah, she made me look really, 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 really beautiful. So what makes me confident in my skin is the natural products I use. I try not to put too much chemicals on my face, and I really exfoliate, and I make sure that I love myself and I care for myself. It's so important to use skincare products in the morning and at night. It's the first thing that people see. What do I love about being a black woman is how deep it goes from ancestry time, about how strong we are, and how we we never give up. There's always a lot of backlash in society about how a black woman is supposed to be, because it's very competitive, not only in the black industry, but in all areas. Because Viola Davis once said, the reason why we don't get opportunity, because opportunity is not given to us. We know that we're in 2017, and yet still there is hardly any, besides Viola Davis, Gabrielle Union, Serena, those women that we all see. What about the everyday people, that are just really trying? So our black goes far deep and in between. And I will never forget watching Patsy getting beaten in 12 Years a Slave. And that always stuck with me, that my black is beautiful. What I would tell my 12-year-old self is, when you look at a magazine, it's been photoshopped. When you go into a drugstore and you're looking at this magazine, remember that these are not real people. Like, I love when I watch the Dove commercial, they use real people. Not to be fake, to just be genuine, be myself, and to take care of others too. Letting them know that we are all beautiful and that we have to take care of each other. Beauty is so much, and I just love how I was able to get this makeup experience done by Nicole Webster. I really, really appreciate that, and seeing all her hard work she's put into it, and she's telling us, as a generation, that look, there's so much color everywhere. Thank you so much.